Hello, finally another episode. It's been a break, but just simply because nothing will happen. And today I'm starting my Rebreather course. Honestly, yesterday I already did full session, but today we're going to the ocean. I thought it will be better. And yesterday there was a lot of struggles. I wasn't really able to film, so that's why there will be some footage from René. That's done now. Now I'm certified Rebreather diver. It's a lot of space to grow, actually. Like I have to practice my buoyancy, and it's a little bit weird how you go down. Going down it's actually better, but going up it takes like we were laughing with Brendon, like walking up with your fingers helping this going up the slope. So that's the hardest thing. That's what I'm gonna spend my next pretty long time figuring out how to do proper buoyancy. Also, I tried to swim around the marina wreck. As long as I want to get up a little bit, then I have to fin up, but then again everything starts expanding, then I have to think about how. So basically, like Brendon said, the best solution is to exhale through the nose, so that like you're dumping a little bit of air, and that keeps. But that's again, as long as you exhale too much, then you have to inflate, and it's super frustrating. Yesterday I was just all the time like cleaning the pool for Brendon, all the bottom, going around like I don't know, like what is that, flatfish, right? The same thing happened also there. I cannot really say that I didn't enjoy the dive. I don't know, maybe some 25% of the dive I really enjoyed, but the rest was simply struggling with the buoyancy. That's it. Also a little bit weird feeling that it's like on an open circuit, when you come back to the surface, then it's this feeling when you don't have enough weights, then this feeling that you all the time have to kick a little bit down. Then I got the same feeling on a Rebreather, right? It's like all the time, especially because the counter lungs are in the front, it's like all the time lifting you up. And another thing is that when you are down, it's like you are hanging in some ropes and somebody is pulling you up. That's the feeling. A little bit weird. But anyways, like I said, there's nothing worse for the experienced divers as a comfort. So you're feeling too comfortable, and then you don't feel really live anymore. Like for example, I felt really live when we went to the Lombok, when there was a down-going currents, then you start feeling alive again. Now it's the same with a Rebreather. I'm start feeling alive, and it was the same happened when I did my technical courses and also assignment. It was really bad in the beginning, but then I started enjoying it, and now I cannot understand how I can do it without, for example, dives without the sign mount. Pretty sure it will happen also with a Rebreather. But yeah, enjoy my struggles, and I will keep going struggling maybe day after tomorrow I will go diving again, and so on. It was a dive. What we just did, it was marina wreck, and yep. Hey.
O2 rebreather?
Yeah.
Yeah, it is. Yeah.
It is. Yeah.
Yeah. Cool. And you get it filled here, no worries, or?
Yeah. Sure.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's not nitrox. That's O2 rebreather.
Poseidon.
Yeah.
Poseidon rebreather.
It's a mixed gas rebreather, so there's oxygen and air.
Yeah.
So it mixes as you require, but you can do helium, trimix, all that sort of.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah.
But
It's a brand new rebreather diver, just so you know.
Okay. Oh, excellent.
But the recommendation from my side is that I'm already a technical diver, so then it's a way easier to understand all the theory and that stuff. for watching. Follow, subscribe, like the video, and see you in the next one. Bye.